This is just a bunch of the bulgur wheat. I don't even know how you pronounce it really, but bulgur. I want to put the name on the screen if I'm pronouncing it wrong, but chickpeas, bell pepper, pomegranate seeds, like a lot of just delicious things inside this bowl. And it's super easy to make. Literally takes like, I mean, other than cooking the grain, it literally takes like 5 minutes because I had the ingredients pretty much ready and I just had to chop up the bell pepper and the red onion. Super filling, and it's also my post-workout meal. So right here I have some skyr or Icelandic yogurt. It's kind of like Greek yogurt, but it's a little bit higher in protein actually, and this is a vanilla flavor, and I got 400 grams here, or actually 450 grams I think, and I'm topping it with some blueberries and one whole apple, and then this is like some dark chocolate that I'm also just chopping up and putting on top. So a little yogurt bowl right here. This is going to be really high in protein, which is why I like to eat yogurt like that. Yeah, so this is meal number 3. Meal number 3, yeah, I think it's meal number 3. So for my final meal, or almost final meal, I'm making cooking on some macaroni, as you can see right here, just boiling that in a pot. And then I'm making a little tahini sauce, so I'm just using tahini, and then I'm adding some lemon juice into that, and I'm mixing that around. I also added some salt to this, some salt in there, and then I'm actually adding a little bit of the water that the pasta is cooking in, just to kind of thin it out and to add some like starch into the sauce until it kind of becomes a sauce, as you can see right here. Transfer. I got like one little like fancy little spoon right here, but you can obviously just use a regular sieve. And I'm just gonna transfer the macaroni into the sauce. I'm kind of not worried about the pasta water getting in there because I already used the pasta water to like thin it out, so it's just gonna make it better, honestly, that there's gonna be a little bit of water transferred. So don't worry about, like, if you're trying to make this, don't worry about drying or like draining the pasta completely. You get everything in there. And then right here I have some roasted zucchini, so I'm just gonna add the roasted zucchini and mix that in there. And then right here, this is just like a little random like peanut butter sandwich that I had, just to fill in some more carbs and fats, because I've been eating some calories at the moment. So yeah, just had this peanut butter sandwich also, and that was everything I ate on this full day. So I'm gonna put all the total approximate macros in the description of this video. And other than that, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm gonna see you in the next video. Make sure to subscribe if you want me to make more of these videos. And I'm gonna see you in the next video. And I want what was I about to say? I hope you're having a great day.